Hi YouTube family. iPage is a popular web hosting provider known for offering expensive plans, especially for beginners and small websites. Here are detailed review covering the pros, cons, and feature of iPage hosting. iPage hosting review pros: affordable pricing. iPage's introductory pricing is very competitive, starting at $1.99 per month. This makes it one of the cheapest hosting providers for entry-level websites. Unlimited storage and bandwidth. iPage offers unlimited bandwidth and unlimited storage, which is great for websites that expect to grow without having to worry about hitting data caps. Free domain name. Get a free domain name for the first year when signing up to for any hosting plan. This is an useful perk for new website owners. Free SSL certificate. iPage includes a free SSL certificate plan, which is important for security and search engine optimization. SEO easy to use. Control panel. Though it does not offer cPanel, iPage provides a custom control panel that's user friendly, especially for beginners who don't need the complexity of a cPanel. Free website builder. iPage offers a drag and drop website builder with offer over 100 templates. It's suitable for user with no coding experiences. 24/7 support. iPage provides 24/7 support, customer support via phone, chat, and email, ensuring that you can get estimates. Cons: high renewal rates. After the initial items, the renewal rates of iPage hosting plans are sufficiently higher. The price jumps from $1.99 to around $7.99 a month, $9.99 a month, which may be a downside for budget conscious users. While iPage provides enough resources for small websites, its loading speeds and performance are average compared to more premium hosts. Sites that to premium hosts faster speeds or handle a lot of traffic may experience slower performance. No cPanel. iPage does not use the industry standard cPanel for its control panel, while their custom solution is user friendly. Users familiar with cPanel might find the transition bugged. Limited advanced feature. iPage is graded toward beginners, so it lacks some of the advanced features that power user or developers may require, such as advanced caching options, staging environment, or more ROS server controls. No fees backups. iPage does not offer automatic backups in their basic plans. You have to pay extra if you want daily backups, which is an essential feature to website recovery. Limited data center locations. iPage has fewer data center locations compared to some larger competitors. This could lead to slower website loading times to visitors located far from pages services. Key features: the pricing starting at $1.99 a month, introductory price. Storage: unlimited bandwidth, unlimited free domain yes for the first year. SSL certificate, free SSL included. Control panel, custom not cPanel. Customer support: 24/7 phone chat and email support. Website filter included with over 100 templates. Money back guarantee: 30 days money back guarantee. Ideal for beginners. Its user friendly interface and free website builder make it ideal for those beginners. Its user-friendly interface and a free website builder make it ideal those hosting small websites. If you run a small blog, personal website, or businesses site that does not need complex feature or high performance, iPage is a sold option. Finally, product iPage offers an affordable and beginners-friendly hosting service with a number of essential features like free SSL, a free domain, and unlimited bandwidth. Offer average performance is more basic, and the high renew rates might deter some users. It best suited or small website or new site owners looking for low cost simple hosting solution. If you needing more advanced feature or higher performance, you may want to consider other hosting providers.